I finally got out biking with the drone, and while it looks good here, it was a mixed bag of dinged up gear and lost footage. But hey, it was only day one. I'd be heading off this way and riding the sweet single track. I had to make the most of the day because the weather was quickly turning back to winter. The biggest problem with biking and flying the drone is securing the drone controller to the bike. My first idea was to use rubber bands, and this would probably work for road biking, but it didn't hold up to the rigors of mountain biking. Within about 10 seconds of riding downhill towards that gully, the drone controller had popped off. Luckily, the controller itself seemed okay, but I did get a small scratch on the screen. My next idea was to shove the controller into the handlebar bag's phone sleeve. This held the controller tight enough, but when I shoved the controller in, I'd occasionally push the video record controls and turn off the recording, thus leading to lost footage. Here I am putting the controller into the sleeve. Unbeknownst to me, I'd pressed the record control button and turned off the video recording, thus losing footage. Having learned my lesson about the lost footage, and that would have been exciting footage, let me tell you, this time I double-checked that the recording was on. Having done my due diligence, everything is working great. Here I am being filmed by the drone in active track set to auto mode. In auto mode, the drone flies around you to give you various points of view to make the filming more exciting. Heading downhill towards a creek crossing, I decided to slow down so the drone would have more time to avoid obstacles, especially the tree at the bottom of the draw. As you can see, the drone did fabulously avoiding the tree, and I splashed through the creek, but I'd lost so much momentum by going slowly I was unable to climb up the final hill. Arg! Walking! But soon enough, I was back on my bike and pedaling to the top of the hill. All the while, the little drone was flying around me autonomously, filming me from every angle and recording my successes and, sadly enough, my failures.